Hey everyone, it's your friend Jonas, and today we're gonna make a lentil soup, or as we call it in Germany, Linsensuppe. This is a recipe that my grandma's made, that my mum's made, and that I've been making for decades. It's got a pretty simple list of ingredients. You're gonna need lentils, a root vegetable, potato, kumara, which is a sweet potato, a turnip, I don't know, some sort of root vegetable, and some stock. That's where you could finish, but my lentil soup's also going to have mushrooms and sausage, because that's how we do it in my family. All right, so let's get started. Okay, a can of mushrooms, some proper mushrooms, it's just what I have on hand. Lentils in a bag, green lentils, you can use red lentils, which are often considered peeled. Potatoes, sausage, pinto beans as well, which I'll throw in there. Just get whatever's cheap. All right, I'm just gonna chop up my ingredients and then go ahead and put the soup on the stove and boil it, because it's soup. Snow bunny today. You can always top it up again when it's boiling. Maybe a little bit of spice, if that's what you're into. I am. Well, look at that, it's boiling. So I'm just gonna reduce it to low and boil it with the lid on. The rabbit's probably not here because the neighbor's cats are patrolling our yard. That guy looks like Arthur. Well, would you look at that? They've already absorbed most of the moisture. I'm just gonna add some more water. I do wish we had nice, clean New Zealand water. And back on the boil, lid on. Got 5 minutes left, and I think the soup is pretty much done. All right, I'm just sitting here now editing this, and now I'm gonna sit here and edit this with soup. I haven't tried it yet, but I know it's gonna be delicious. Do I want a piece of sausage on my first spoon? Yeah, it's delicious. Check out this sweet bowl. Do you remember my sweater from the last video? All right, everyone, enjoy. See ya.